Why, hello there. I hope you're having a wonderful day out there, and I do mean that. Now let's take a look at 4 areas on my charts that I'm going to watch as I trade, and I will tell you why. These are coming at you off of the NQ. Now let's start 2 lines down where we'll find a bit of support being tested at present at the time of this video at 15900. Big psychological area in the past that when we fell below and back tested it as resistance, it took us a very long while to get back above. Now, speaking of above, we have 16030 marked off. Just recently encountered heavy resistance getting shut down at this location. A break of this location could definitely lead to some volume changes. And down below where price is trading, we have 15720. It's a lower area, I almost said higher. It's a lower area that also led to some very powerful crashes that broke some very key areas of support if you look left. And down below even farther, we have a low area of support that's very important at 15460. This is the area holding up the current bullish push, in my opinion. Good luck, happy trading, I'll see you all very soon.